Hey y'all, we got an eBay order going out to a Matthew G from a Mountain Home, Arizona. It is a dipstick, part number 9222. It is for a Ford 351. Thank you, Mr. Matthew. We're going to get this in a box, headed to you. Beth wrote you a note on the back of the sticker. The sticker is to our main channel, Dixie Customs. We'd appreciate if you like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, hit the notification button. It helps the channel out. We appreciate your order. That helps the channel out too. We'll get this taped up for you and get it sent to you. Don't know when you're going to get it out there in Arizona, but we got some fellow YouTubers out there in Arizona we follow. But we do appreciate the order. We'll get this sent out to you. That way you can get your project back underway. Because it is car show season. Don't forget, check out the channel. We packaged it for you, wrote do not bend. Maybe they won't destroy it between here and yonder. So we do thank you for your order and catch you on the next one.